Hi guys, we received these cordless touch table lamps for reviewing purposes, and I think they're really nice because first of all, they charge with a Type-C charger, which makes them easily charging because, well, they are really common, and you can touch just this part to change the temperature of the light, turn it on or off. Okay, you can actually change also the intensity of the lamp by long pressing it. As you can see, it's dimming just like that. It dims. You can switch between 100% of light or 20%, which I think it's really nice. Okay, they are really well made, and I like them a lot because they're perfect for your side table in your bed, the kitchen, your dining room, wherever you want to place them. I think they look really nice, and as you can see, they're really easy to use, and you can lock the on and off button with this button. It turns automatically off, and you can turn it on no more. You just press it again, and there it is. So as I've said, I think they're really nice, very well made, and very practical and useful in different kinds of scenarios, indoors, outdoors, wherever you want to use them. I will really recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.